I went to Ikea last month and I really was on the lookout for something that I can store my wire making tools that I had. These are the stamping weights. I have three of them and they're pretty considerable weight to it. And then I have just the different type of wire shaping tools that's really heavy. I believe, I want to say it's steel. All I can tell you is that it's real heavy. And then I have the vise right there.
And then I have a few of my other hobby making related items there as well. Now, we all know how the little manuals or pamphlets come for the instructions with IKEA. It's very to the point and very self explanatory, to be honest. You just click the legs in place and then you can set your shelf wherever you want it to be at. Now, they even came with the wall anchors for the added security in case you have small ones. I don't have to worry about that, so I just leave mine attached right there. And it's a place that no one's going to run into it, but they do have them in case you need them. I felt that this was right up my alley and that it did not take up a lot of space and it held everything that I want to put away out of a box on the floor. And there you go.
So all in all, I can't really say anything negative about this shelf. It was very affordable in it being $15. And you do have the options of black or white. Again, DIYers, which I think is kind of like IKEA's one of the havens that you have because they do have so many options with their furniture that you can make it really into your own and for it to be $15, but yet they still made sure to put the latches for the wall anchors to give it that added safety feature is a bonus for me. But all in all, it worked out for the needs that I needed. And it's a two thumbs up for me, you guys. So you better catch it while you can. IKEA sometimes often they may have things there. And then when you go in your neck of the woods, it's not there. But anyways, I think it's a plus.